Hey everyone, welcome to the BOSH kitchen, and we're going to be preparing for you a delicious drink.
It's a super delicious drink. It's ice cold. It's a ginger smoochie.
The idea with a smoochie is it is like a smoothie, but it's hoochie. So a little bit of alcohol goes in as well. So you're being good and naughty at the same time.
A naughty smoothie. I mean, it's perfect, right?
So we're using this thing, it's called the 3X Bluicer Pro. This comes from Sage, and the idea is you've got a juicer here, and if you imagine a juicer normally has a jug off to the side, well, some genius must have said, let's turn that jug into a blender. So this is a blender, you can blend on there, you can juice in here. We're gonna do both to make an alcoholic cocktail.
First three ingredients, ice, there we go.
That's gonna blitz up in there, and it should become like crushed ice in this machine.
Vodka.
This is enough for 4 people. It's gonna be enough for our housemates.
Now this is maple syrup, and it adds a really nice natural sweetness. Perfect. Right, so that is stage 1 complete.
Stage 2 is about to begin. So we are gonna be juicing. Carrots.
We put a 3 in there. Wow,
there we go, carrot juice so cool. In. You don't even have to peel them.
Oh wow, look at this.
Amazing.
Amazing. For a bit of spice, we've got some ginger.
And not even peeled it.
Nope. Lime, lovely limes, they're in as well. Whoa. Hey. Amazing, lime juice, oranges. Oh, it's so good. Look at that juice, it smells amazing in here.
Good work.
That does look really good, doesn't it?
Wow, look at that.
So that's all that pulp that we've just blended up. Check that out, it smells amazing.
All the gubbins.
This is our juice. Now all we have to do is press the frozen cocktail button.
Woo! Hey!
So it's basically turning it into like a slushy.
That's the idea, yeah. It's gonna be like a kind of margarita or a daiquiri or something like that.
Very good. Right, let's pour it off. Let's get this ginger smoochie. Oh, you can hear that ice. It's all nice and crispy in there.
That is a satisfying sound. Beautiful. Cheers. Here's to the ginger smoochie, a smoothie that's hoochie.
It's really, really citrusy, obviously. It's quite strong, that vodka. It's quite punchy. But then it's got a nice sweetness because of the maple syrup. This is a lovely, refreshing beverage.
Don't forget the ginger. There's an absolute peppery, fiery punch added by that ginger, and the sweetness of the lime as well. Go really, really well together, kind of round off that vodka.
This is a really fantastic machine. You can juice with it, you can blend with it, you can obviously bluice with it.
We hope you've loved this video. We're gonna have more videos like this for you in our BOSH kitchen. See you next time.
See ya.